Hello guys, I am Pranav Nilesh Shinde. Today I am going to talk on 3D printing. First of all, I explain you 3D printing. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a process of making three-dimensional solid object from a digital file. The creation of 3D printed object is achieved using additive processes. In that process, object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. After that, the most important topic, that is material used in 3D printing. 6 types of material can be used in additive manufacturing. First one is plastics, metals, concrete, ceramics, and certain chocolates. Additive technologies lend themselves towards the use of certain materials over others. Now, the application of 3D printings. 3D printing is mostly used in United States of America, Saudi Arabia and Japan. There are several applications of 3D printing. First one is cloud-based additive manufacturing. In that manufacturing, 3D printing works as a service-oriented network. Next one is mass customization. In that mass customization, many companies created unique objects by using 3D printers. Nokia company recently 3D designed their mobile phones. After that, rapid manufacturing. Next one is rapid prototyping. Next one is research. 3D printers are used in research lab as alternative method to manufacture components in labs. After that, food. After that, ugly tooling. After that, we can see that 3D printers used in medical application. First one is bioprinting, second one is medical devices, third one is pharmaceuticals formulation. First of all, 3D printers are mostly used in to make replicas of organs. Due to 3D printing, skull of human beings is easily created. 3D printer used in medical devices. Also recently in March 2020, Isono company in Italy printed 100 respiratory valves in just 24 hours for hospitals like them in midst of coronavirus outbreak. Next one is industrial application, apparel, industrial art and jewelry, automotive industry. 3D printers are also useful in automotive industry. Urbi is the first car in world car maintained using the technology 3D printing. It was created in 2010. Next one is construction. 3D printers are mostly used in construction. United Arab Emirates was first country which could be used 3D printers in construction. Next one is firearms, computers and robots. 3D printers is used to make laptops and computers accessories. Next one is soft sensors and actuators. And last one is space. Our last topic is socio-cultural application. First one is art and jewelry. 3D selfies. A 3D selfie in 1:20 scale printed by Sharpways using gypsum based printing. Next one is communication, domestic use, education and research. It is used in educational institutes in United States of America, Britain and some institutes in India. Also in my college, that is Kekewak Polytechnic Nasik, is also used 3D printers since 2017. Next one is environmental use, cultural heritage, specialty materials. This is the one of the most important video on 3D printing. Thanks for watching this video presented by Master Pranav Nilesh Shinde, student of Mechanical Engineering, Kekewak Polytechnic Nasik.